Winter is here, and a lot of people will stay in bed scrolling all day. But what if you could actually make these cold days fun and memorable? In this video, I'm going to share simple winter hobbies that you'll actually want to try. Cozy mornings. Cozy mornings are a simple winter habit that can make your whole day feel better. Try waking up a little early. Let the morning stay slow and quiet. You can open the window a bit, feel the cold air, and enjoy a hot drink. There is no need to rush. Just sit, read a page or two, or take deep breaths. These moments are the best thing about winters. DIY gifts. Making DIY gifts in winter feels extra special. You can make simple things like a handwritten card, a photo frame, a small decorated jar, or even handmade jewelry like bracelets, necklaces, or rings. It doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful. When you put effort into something, people can feel the love behind it. Crochet is a slow and calming hobby, perfect for cold winter days. You just need some yarn and a hook to start. At first, it might feel tricky, but soon your hands get used to it. You can make simple things like scarves, coasters, or little squares. Crochet helps your mind feel calm and relaxed. It's nice to see something grow in your hands. Winter is a great time to sit quietly and focus. Baking. Baking in winter feels warm and happy. The smell of cookies or cake makes the whole house cozy. You don't need to make anything fancy. Simple recipes work perfectly and still taste great. Baking teaches patience because you follow steps and wait for the results. It feels really nice when your treats turn out well. You can bake for yourself or share with family. Winter baking makes cold days feel sweet and full of little happy memories. Do your nails. Doing your nails at home is a simple and fun winter hobby. You can try new colors, shapes, or designs. Winter is perfect for dark shades, soft pinks, or cozy neutral colors. Taking time for your nails feels like taking care of yourself. You sit quietly and focus on the little details. It helps you slow down and enjoy the moment. Even just clean, simple nails feel nice. Taking winter photos. Winter photography helps you notice the little beauties around you. You can take pictures of fog, sunsets, shadows, or even a warm cup of tea. You don't need a fancy camera. Your phone works just fine. Winter helps you see beauty in simple things. Writing letters to your future self. Writing letters to your future self is emotional and meaningful. You can write about how you feel right now. Share your dreams, fears, and hopes. You can open the letter months later and see your growth. It feels comforting to talk to yourself honestly. Your future self will thank you for these words. Decorating and rearranging your room. Rearranging and decorating your room in winter feels really refreshing. You can move furniture, clean shelves, change little things, or add cozy decorations like lights, cushions, or posters. A tidy and decorated space helps your mind feel lighter. Even small changes can feel exciting and new. A clean and decorated room feels calm and safe. It also helps you focus better. Writing goals for the new year. Writing your goals in winter feels really calm and nice. It's a good time to think about what you truly want, not what anyone else expects. You can write simple goals that feel easy to follow. Writing your goals clears your mind and makes you feel ready for the days ahead. Even small goals count. Journaling. Journaling in winter feels like talking to a close friend. You can write about your day, your thoughts, or how you feel. There are no rules. You can write freely and honestly. Winter nights are perfect for this quiet time. It's also a lot of fun to look back at your old memories and see how much you've grown. Vision board. Making a vision board on Pinterest is super fun and creative. You can pin pictures, quotes, and ideas that match your dreams, just like collecting your favorite inspiration all in one place. Winter is perfect for this because you can sit quietly and think about your future. Your Pinterest board keeps you motivated and reminds you of what really matters. Clay art making. Clay art is creative and really fun. You can shape small bowls, keychains, or little decorations. It feels relaxing and playful at the same time. Winter is perfect for hobbies like this because you can sit inside and create. You don't need to be an expert. Every handmade clay art feels special and unique. Winter drinks. Making winter drinks is cozy and so comforting. You can enjoy hot chocolate, herbal tea, or warm milk. These drinks help you slow down and relax. You can even try adding different flavors or spices to make them special. Sitting with a warm cup in your hands feels peaceful and nice. It can become a little daily ritual that makes winter feel warmer. Trying a new makeup style. Trying new makeup in winter is fun and creative. You can play with colors and looks without worrying about mistakes. You can do natural makeup or try bold colors. Makeup is a way to show yourself, not to be perfect. You can look at Pinterest for makeup inspo and see which look suits you the most. Self-care nights. Self-care nights are really nice in winter. You can take warm showers, use face masks, or just sit quietly and relax. These nights help your body and mind rest. Winter can feel heavy, so taking care of yourself is important. A calm routine can make you feel less stressed and more peaceful. And that's it. Now that you've seen all these fun winter hobbies, it's time to pick the ones you like the most. Small things like journaling, baking, or cozy mornings can make your days happier. It's not about doing everything perfectly, just enjoy the process and take your time. Start small, try a few, and make this winter one you actually look forward to. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.